2 comments from smart drivers this week, both relating to speed. And we'll give you some information about that and answer their questions to make you a safer, smarter driver. Stick around, we'll be right back with that information. 559 said that you needed to have a dash cam in your vehicle, and many drivers feel this way, that a dash cam is going to protect you. My only word of caution with a dash cam in your vehicle is note that it is not just watching other people and monitoring your speed, it's also watching you, and we make mistakes. 559 said that you needed to have one in your personal vehicle because if you were traveling to other states, particularly Texas, Idaho, and Kansas, that police were specifically targeting out-of-state drivers for speeding. Now, let me give you some information. Police do not have to target out-of-state speeders. They have enough homegrown speeders. Everybody speeds. There is absolutely no question about that. Drivers that speed on the roadways is as predictable as the sun coming up tomorrow morning. It's as predictable as the fact that we are going to get weather. So police are not targeting out-of-state speeders because they're not going to go to court and fight the ticket because they have to travel a great distance. That is simply false. They have enough speeders in their own state that they can get speeders any time of the day that they want to. They simply set up a radar trap and they'll get speeders. And on the other note of that, most of the time, police are only going to ticket you if you are 10 to 20 miles an hour over the posted speed limit, or even more than that, because sometimes they're just going after the excessive speeders when they set up speed traps. And the next question, Bob asked me about driving on the highway, the freeway, where the posted speed limit is 75 miles an hour. Another vehicle in front is driving 65 miles an hour. You go to pass that vehicle and the vehicle speeds up again to the posted speed limit of 75 miles an hour. Bob asked, what do? Do you stay beside the vehicle? Do you pass? Do you drop back in behind them and reestablish your minimum safe distance behind that vehicle? I would go with dropping back in behind them and getting your minimum safe distance behind that vehicle again. Maybe even dropping your speed limit to 60 and driving at 60 miles an hour for 5 or 10 minutes to let that vehicle go somewhere else. Often what happens on freeways and highways when the speed limit is 75 miles an hour, people are driving with their foot on the accelerator. They're not paying attention. They think for some unconscious reason that they're maintaining a constant speed when in fact they are not keeping a constant speed at all on the throttle. And if people tell you that they can maintain a constant speed on the throttle for long periods of time on highways and freeways, it's simply not true. Your driving test. There's a great deal of anxiety and uncertainty about what's going to happen on test day. Pass Your Driver's Test First Time Course Package guarantees the information, skills, and abilities you need to pass your driver's test first time. As a bonus, we throw in both the winter and defensive driving smart courses to keep you safe and crash-free after you get your license. Click the link up in the corner here. Head over to the Smart Drive Test website. So, reclaim your minimum safe distance between you and the vehicle in front. Let them go and have their crash somewhere else, and then once you get back up to 75 miles an hour and there's a minimum safe distance, lots of distance between you and that vehicle that is keeping an inconsistent speed up and down the highway, then carry on with your day. They've gone and had their crash somewhere else. For 5 tips for being a safer driver on the highway, click this video right here. And remember, pick the best answer, not necessarily the right answer. Have a great day. Bye now.